Hello, we are live. Second stream, Vidanja game. We have a lot of work to do.
Welcome.
Welcome. Yes, one moment. I will begin the. I will enable my screen. So, the current goal is to make to create a new data model for the fluid which is inside of the truck. The purpose of that is to allow us to have multiple kinds of liquid in the truck. So because you might be able to find more valuable kinds of liquids in certain tanks, and of course those will be sold for more money. So I've detailed here. I've written here a document. So I think this covers about everything. So I will implement this, and then maybe we'll move on to some other smaller things. Currently, what I've made. Okay, I should turn this down. Is this visual indicator. Well, I prompted Gemini to do it, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, it works. So what I'll do now is create a new script, but I need to figure out how you can include another script into an existing Godot script, because there's gonna be a class for every ball. Every ball is gonna be an instance of a class. So we need to have the definition of that class in multiple places. So that's something I have to do. Also, we ditched the VTuber in favor of the Discord call, the Discord channel, so that people know who is actually talking here, and we will have to see how the retention changes following this change, because if it's not positive, we might have to revert. Yeah.
Another VTuber might come back.
Another one.
Not necessarily, or maybe the same one, but there is a possibility we're gonna have a VTuber again.
Okay. An avatar, perhaps. Okay, so I'll define the class for the poop ball now. Let's see. Godot includes script. Let's see if that works. Ah, okay. This is kind of ugly, but sure, if that's how it's done, I'll create a new script. Let's say poop ball class, and let's do this. Oh no, what? It's not official. Man, this music sounds like Tom and Jerry. I don't know. It reminds me of that. Oh no. Don't tell me it's not simple. Oh no. Let's see. Football was expected private. Oh no. I would have done this anyway, man. This is... Why isn't it simple?
Aren't you just searching for components? Class.
Component. Well, I want to make my own kind of class which holds this, and then I want to have a list of elements of that class.
Yeah.
Hmm. So the... What? And how do you instantiate it? How do you instantiate an object of that class? Not new. Okay. Ah. So I might not need this, and I can make... But then it's gonna have these? No, okay. um... I should read the chat. I don't have a way of reading the chat right now. That's my bad. Damn, not even on my phone. So you cannot read the chat on the mobile web browser. Interesting. Well, I hope you will keep me up to date on what's going on in the chat. So
Okay, but look, I think this is what you're looking for.
let's see.
In DM, there's no link.
Wait. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what he tried.
So he's using a scene with this thing called signals.
Signals, those are like just callbacks.
Yeah.
This isn't really what I'm looking for. Yeah.
But the thing is, you're having an XY problem, which is that you think you want a class, but you're actually just wanting to make a reusable thing. So I would search how to do that in Godot, not a class.
Reusable. Well, that's just this is just an object. Um. So I could make a list of objects. Hmm. Oh, sure. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I will just create instances of this object, meta ball. And then spawn them in the world. Wait, I should yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. So you create it with new, then you can instantiate it in the world, but until you instantiate it, you can just keep it in the memory. So that works. Sure. So I should add here let's say var what did I call it here? Poop tank. Yeah, that goes for which is an what do they call it, an array or a list? An array of yeah, no 3D. See, but why do they not make it classes? Because then I could have a poop tank class and then instantiate it here and in the canal as well. So they both use the same kind of class. Because they're both tanks, really. They both hold the poop. They both serve the same function, just odd way.
Also check the overlay because it's messed up the call. Yeah.
Wait, what are the oh yeah. That will happen because it's quite sloppy.
Yeah.
Sure. So, see, this is why I was reluctant to add this, because Godot scripts, it's just weird, and I'm not used to it. In the what is this, in a canal? Let me go here. And so when you suck, actually let's have a poop tank with which is an array of node 3D as well. And so when it's ready, we're not just gonna have numbers anymore. We are actually, well, yeah, we're actually going to have a 4. Which is, let it be from 0 to 200. And just gonna add tank dot append poop balls. Yeah. What does it append? Yeah, sure. On we can load it like we loaded it here. Ball dot new. Great. Now there's gonna a lot of logic will change. Oh, that's oh no. Oh, that's a lot of logic which is gonna change because we're not using just a number. We now have to consider the array. Oh, and yeah, later on we'll have to change the type of the poop ball randomly so that there is actually a chance to get a rare poop ball.
Yeah, and certain areas will have more of a certain kind of poop ball.
Yeah. But will they have a different color visually?
Yeah. So there should be some kind of method to communicate that to the shader code.
Oh,
In the
that's
future, first just make them all brown.
for now. Yeah, they will be all brown. That will take some. That will be more complicated. Okay. Oh. So. When it sucks. Okay. This is actually will make sense. So when it sucks, it will return you the ball which it sucked and then remove it. Pop. Does it have pop front? It's not very important. Yeah, return this. Oh, else, well, we don't. You really shouldn't be sucking. You shouldn't be sucking if the quantity is less than 0. So now in the vehicle, this parameter okay. Yeah, this parameter will be re-implemented later. So we need to take the poop which we sucked and where's my cursor? Yep. And add it to our poop tank. Poop tank dot append. We need to do here type no 3D like this and append it. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Oh yeah, that's okay. That's a great start. But everything which has to do with like this will have to change, and that's gonna take some time. And the capacity, yeah. We will do it. We will do it. Is anyone? No. Still no one.
Well, that was the first stream as well, with 1 hour
Yeah.
of ramp up time. Let's call it that.
Oh. Have you shared it anywhere?
I've announced it, but the Discord is kind of small.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, if you have any.
Sure.
I shared it. Let's see how this works. But also, yeah. No. What? Wait. It's all gonna be instant for now. We will. Oh no. See, and here we instantiated, but we already have it. So, we need to do existing. We here only have yeah, instance. Not really. And we'll get rid of that. And I don't think we need to return anything because we already know the instance. And it's tag dot last. What? Dot back dot front. Oh. No, it's the back. So it's last in, first out. That's okay. Oh, but okay. We still have to return it, so that's I don't have to change as much logic. Then we apply all of this. I wanna make it simple, so it's easier to comprehend, so I remove some. And there's no comments like this. Oh, why? Why? Well, there's too much. There's so much I have to change. Yep. And above is irrelevant. And here the quantity isn't calculated the same way. But okay. Let's see what happens. Oh. New? What? Oh, that's interesting. So I just instantiate what? Not. Okay. Reload. There's no instantiate function. Let's see what happens. Okay. Nothing. Let's see. Let's see the size of the array. Size. Maybe it works. Yeah, okay, it doesn't do... Oh? No, it doesn't do anything. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if the function even gets called. Yeah, it doesn't get called. Okay. Remove these because these are not working anymore. We're changing the system. Okay. Well, that looks functional. But why are there two messages? Where is the second one coming from? That's weird. What? I'm gonna, okay. Let's see with a breakpoint, because I don't know. Seven. Right. F12, okay. 200. What? So on one frame it has 0, one frame it has 7, then it has 200. Can I even set a watch or something? No. Oh. Yeah. 6. But it says 200. Wow. $200. Oh. Oh. Fuck, I think I just realized that's from the other canals which are on the map. Because there are multiple canals. Some are still full. Okay. So that seems to be working actually. Let's see if they are added to the. Okay, no. Maybe I should implement the HUD now. So we're changing from liters to how many individual balls. Or what? No. Each ball has a value. So to determine the total amount here. So to determine the total amount, we need to just count all of the balls. Yeah, so I left this. Type and the value. These are just the liters. Liters. Now make a function get truck tank liters and it's just a for iteration. Yes. Now, just call it here. And hopefully it works. Okay. No way. Whoa. Whoa. It worked, surprisingly. Somehow it did work. Why is there an error? What is this? Oh. This sounds like MIDI.
Well, anyway, even if it says royalty free, it might not mean copyright free, but I guess we're taking that risk.
Will you get a notification?
Yeah.
Royalty free.
Because royalty free means if you buy it, then
Look,
you can play it how much you want, but...
It says use it in any creative project, commercial or personal, so...
Oh yeah, look, it's public domain, that's cool.
It sounds like a MIDI, it sounds like a...
Probably.
It's a synthesized... But I liked it, but I would have liked it more if they had actual violins, how they show in the picture. This doesn't make sense. Oh, maybe because it goes over 100. Yes. So we also need to define total. This is gonna be 0. And total truck capacity will be actually how many balls it can hold. So let's just put 200. That's gonna be 100 liters. You could calculate it later. So if the tank dot size is lesser than total truck capacity, Yes. Yeah. Oh. Yes. And the bar is broken, but that's okay. Why is it broken? Because it's not updated. And also, really, the bar should just get the tank array and display it accordingly. We don't have to just display the liters, because that's the whole point. We will have different kinds of poop, so here this actually needs to be yeah. And see, this is what we have to change. Oh. How did it get here? It's not useful anymore anyways. Yeah. So I'll copy this array just so I have a reference of how it should look. Okay. It's okay. For yeah, for each ball we'll have if its type is equal to 0, we will add a different no wait, yeah, we will add either to this or to this. There will be multiple. Okay. Now I think I'll just add them to the same thing. Hmm. I apologize for the lack of commentary. Oh,
Thinking mode.
that sounds awful. Hello, wonderful people. This is yandere dev level code. Oh. Oh, yep. Are you? Oh, and of course we also need to set it. Segments. Yes. Now we set it back. Well, no. We need to start a new one. We cannot modify the existing one. Okay, let's see. Oh, what's wrong? How is it no? Oh. So the segments object, it doesn't. Oh, I always forget to assign it. Oh, yay, at least there's no error, but my segment Oh yeah, I didn't change anything. Where is it? Here. Yeah. Five. Oh. Why doesn't it appear? Oh. Why doesn't the breakpoint work? Oh no. Can I disable a breakpoint and re-enable it? Man. Okay, wait. So what happens if I put it in 40? Okay. But then why doesn't it change? It works, but oh, hello, overgrowth. The overgrowth. Thank you. It's epic. Well, yeah, the Vidanja itself is. The code isn't. Yeah, thank you for. The layout is amazing. Yeah, it is. We did remove the. We did remove the VTuber. We'll have to see how that affects retention. We discussed that earlier. Perhaps you missed it. No problem. Now I'm adding a new bar for your truck to see how much poop you have inside of it, so you will be able to have multiple kinds of poop. Oh, it doesn't redraw it. That's the problem. What? Okay, interesting. Oh. See, that's what happens when you generate code with AI, because you don't know what it does. But yeah. I can figure this out. Oh, come on. Interesting, so you have to trigger or redraw manually. There. Okay. Okay. It works now. We need to make it so that it's a correct percentage. Set maximum truck liters. Yeah. Join our Discord if you haven't. What? There's no link? How come? Oh.
Sure, I'll add it. It's
You
only
add
in
it,
the
okay.
channel now.
You add it. Okay. One viewer. We're getting there. Yeah, and now segment value. This needs to be divided by the max liter value. Now, yeah, we're gonna get an error. That's what I want. Set maximum. How did I even call it? Set maximum septic truck liters. Total truck capacity. Yeah. Let's have a total truck liter capacity. Nah, it should work. Oh no. Ah. Oops. Oh. That's... I think I know why. here. Oh no. Oh? Oh? Mm. I'm so smart. Why does this work? I don't know. Now the dumping. Did I even test that? Wait. Then we'll add the timing and everything after. Just make it easier. Yeah, I should also. There. Now. Oh! It seems to be working already. Just that the bar doesn't go down. Well, that was less difficult than I expected. So it's in the dumping function. Why doesn't it go down? Well, why don't we update the bar every frame? I don't think that should cause any problems. Yeah. That fixed it. Oh no. Wait. I should also no, I think this music is making me fall asleep really. Implement the bar for the canal, because that's not implemented. And it will also give me an indication. For example, I think that error is caused because we're still trying to suck even when the the canal is empty. Okay, so it's this one, but instead of this, let's see, what do we have in here? The poop tank of the sucked. Yeah. Shouldn't this also have a maximum size? Maximum size. Yeah. Max size. 200. This goes up to max size. Yeah, and we'll make this random later. So now this becomes poop tanks plus size over its total size. Yes, so we have 50 over 200. Yeah, and I think that should be, or maybe no, yeah, I think that should be your times 10 times 100. Let's see. Stocking. Oh no. Let's see the value. Zero. Great. Its size is decreasing. So how come is it 0? Interesting. What's the oh, maybe it does a conversion. Oh, a cost. Wait. Yeah, I think it's because it does it does a cost. How do you No. Not vision. Oh. Just need to add here float. Okay. Still not. Let's see this. Why is it still 0? What if I print this? Yeah, it's just like 143 by 200. Yeah, and times 100. Oh, maybe I have to cast each one individually. That's odd. Come on. Yes. Now. For throwing the poop. Well, it seems to be working. Oh, whoa. It updated. For some reason, there was nothing invalid. Let's see. Wait. Okay. Oh. Oh. Why is it empty? For some reason, the tank went completely empty. Oh no. Yeah, you see, anytime I have an issue, I go to check if there's someone in the chat to talk to.
Nothing ever happens.
Nothing ever happens. Nothing ever happens. Well, something kinda did happen, I know. I 3D printed some things. I designed a thing in CAD. Have you ever disassembled a lighter and removed that button which makes the spark to light the gas?
No.
No?
I haven't really used lighters.
You don't use lighters?
I don't smoke. Do you smoke?
No, but I light firecrackers in the winter.
Ah, of course. And then you modeled it in the CAD software.
Well, do you know what I'm talking about? I don't.
Kind of.
Modeled what?
The button, right?
Button. So you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
The one which shocks you?
You don't mean the exterior plastic?
Exterior plastic?
The button
No,
activated.
No, there's a small button which makes a small shock.
Oh.
And it has a wire. It has a wire which comes out of it, and if you, it makes a very small arc.
Yeah.
That was a big arc. Oh. Yeah, and it kind of hurt. So what I made a case for it so that it's easier. It's easier to use it because it's very, very small. So yeah, I will publish it on the internet sometime. Let's see. What could cause this? Oh. So wait. No. The tank was already empty, okay? So something added an invalid ball. Chat is here. I'm glad.
Where's my heart?
Yes, see, there is a rule in content creation. Don't publish something you wouldn't watch yourself. I wouldn't watch this.
I disagree.
Why?
Because most people are pretty critical of themselves, and many pieces of art may be appreciated by others, but not by you.
Okay, but
So,
I don't think anyone, except maybe AI, would enjoy a 2-hour-long unedited Minecraft footage with no commentary. Or maybe some commentary.
you can search exactly for that and you'll find plenty of videos with views.
But maybe...
So, okay, maybe they don't enjoy it in the way you'd like them to. Like, they're not exactly 100% engaged. But like, this is good background noise, kind of.
What I'm talking about is like, I think we all did this when we were young. We all wanted to be YouTubers, but we didn't actually know what made those videos good, so we would just record ourselves playing Minecraft on our phones, which had really bad microphones and really bad audio, so it was all just totally unenjoyable because the audio was bad, the video was probably laggy. So that's what I'm talking about.
Yes, but What
just
if one
low
of those
quality.
kids kept publishing for 1,000 days straight? I think he would have gained at least 2 or 3 loyal followers.
Yeah, 2 or 3. That
Okay,
2 or 3.
and that's infinitely more than 0.
Um,
And you're not that kid at the moment. You're doing better than him. So
um, hold on. Maybe you've got
so
a point, but still, okay.
so
Maybe it's
okay.
not
Look at
universal
the
rule.
yeah. Look at the chat. Using this for background noise. It is kind of calming background noise.
Okay, sure, sure. Maybe it's not universal rule.
Yeah.
I was wrong. Let's
Well.
call it a personal value.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is a personal value of mine. My videos. I'm 100% sure that they are exactly right. I watched them
Okay.
like 20 times. I do.
Yeah, like on your channel.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
Yeah.
about on my channel. I watch them
Okay.
many times. I check the audio is right, the cuts are right. There's no boring parts. Um,
Okay. Yeah.
maybe I'm doing too much. That's why I upload like twice a year.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that there's many people that do watch their own videos 20 times and then they don't upload it because of mental blocks. And I
Mm,
think that's not really. I think even a low quality published video is better than a non-published video.
but if you watch it 20 times and you like it and you don't publish it, then that's wrong because that's against my value. Publish you. That doesn't make it any. Uh, that's not related to what I said. Uh,
Yeah.
don't
Yeah,
publish
like
something.
I get what you're saying. You don't
Mhm.
have this fear, but you're saying you'd like this is very, how can I put this delicately? You're saying this is boring.
Yes, yes, that's exactly what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It is. I know it is. I know it
Well,
is. Um.
yeah. Well, think about an alternative. We put lots and lots of effort into making this super planned and super engaging and super edited, and then this would just be us 2 or 3, and
Or if 4 or
then
5, or maybe the whole server, or
yeah, sure, but then you're spending more time on the actual
yes.
video than the game. So for
Well,
our scale, I think this is fine.
on our scale, yes, but
Like, what matters more is what you can do consistently, because I think this is what would matter more if we actually release this rather than making 1 or 2 extremely high quality streams or videos.
oh, yeah. But still, I think this could be more without sacrificing on the actual development. Like right now, we are sacrificing on the development, unfortunately. But that's just
Okay, well, what are
that's
you
my fault,
thinking?
really. Well, no, it happens to me very often. When I have a bug, a problem, I just
Yeah, but
like.
what were you thinking to improve it?
What am I thinking to improve it? Well, more commentary, more yeah, more people. Maybe we had more people talking.
Uh,
That's what I like talking to people. Um, but then I cannot focus if I talk to people, so
Oh.
yeah.
Yeah, well, you could do it like a presentation where you only answer questions during certain parts. I've seen some people doing this technique where they don't answer questions all the time, just during certain breaks.
Yeah, yeah, that's yeah, it's a sacrifice, so the overgrowth. So wait, let me find the bug. Let me find the bug. And I wrote all of the poop. Okay. Then when I still try to suck from it, yeah, okay. The problem is that oh yeah, that's why. Because what even is this? The quantity variable is not used anymore. So oh, okay. If the poop tank size is less than 0, yes. Now it should work, and yes. What? Oh, that's a physics bug. Oh, right.
But
Godot's, yes. Godot's physics bug. Wow, that's very interesting that you are developing something as well. I'm curious what you are developing. If you can share something very brief. Do we know this person? Who is this?
he was on the last stream as well, I think.
Is he on the Discord?
Sure.
Well, what? That was a question. Yes or no? Oh, supposedly RT knows him. Supposedly you know him. Fuck. Oh. What? How is it no? Model type. Oh. There's no type. Hmm. How come there's no type? I should type. Yeah? Let's see. Let's test this again, cause no. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is a segment. See, I guess it also it does work as background. See, because yeah, there is a certain standard which I have because you know the stream looks pretty nice. There's nice music and We have a high quality microphone. RT's microphone sounds pretty well, so it's bearable. See, that's what's important, to be at least bearable. As I explained with that example of children uploading Minecraft videos, that's just unbearable, but they don't know. I'll add a manual check here. If the type is no, if the type isn't no, I'll add it. And if it is, I'll just no. Oh, that was okay. Hmm. What? Oh, yes, because I'm still accessing something now. Oh, how do I safely check if something is null in Godot? Hmm. Oh, no. Oh, interesting. Well, how come? Very weird. So there's an invalid poopole which is being added somewhere. Um, hmm. Oh, was, could be in the canal. Because this is what sucks. If the size is greater than 0, let's say greater or equal. Greater or equal? Greater. Um, return what? Hmm. Did I even check what this returns? The first element. Okay. Um, what if I set this to greater than 1? Still no, there's still something. Oh no. Uh-oh. Yeah, that Godot froze for a moment. Man, and the stream is almost over. Just 20 more minutes. Almost. Well, nah, we still have a few. We didn't complete it. Well, maybe we will complete it. Let's see. Perhaps I should move the truck. Let's see what happens slowly. Okay. So I just add something. No. Okay. I have an idea. Here. I'll just print something. Or maybe a breakpoint would be better. If we do return null here, then something is wrong. Oh. Oh, yeah. Indeed. Is the problem. Oh. Okay, here's the problem. We're still sucking from it. Poop tank dot size. Okay, okay. This is the problem. We are still sucking from it, even if it's empty. Huh. That's a very fundamental check, which I missed somehow. We should just check if its capacity, if its size is greater than 0. This is greater than 0. Yeah. Let's fix it. Oh no. No, nothing happens. Okay, well. Poop tank. Oh yeah. The poop tank of. Oh no. And the poop tank of the sucked canal. There we go. Now it should work. Oh, no. No. Well, this was still important to add. I should add a breakpoint. What? It paused my music. Video paused. Continue watching. Thanks for confirming.
Way to save bandwidth, I guess.
Yeah. Like they're really cutting corners. What was it? An hour and a half? Not even. An hour and a half. Yeah, it's what if it just does nothing for invalid balls? Wait, but yeah. Okay, seems fixed, but wait, there's a problem. The bar on the left, it doesn't update. Man, you know, this live stream will probably be used to teach AI how to develop and how to think, because I'm, you know, I am explaining my thought process. That's perfect for a chain of thought model. Imagine a chain of thought model with vision, with real-time vision, and mouse and keyboard agentic capabilities, something fancy. This kind of live stream will be perfect training data. It knows the thought process, the mouse movement, file management.
Oh yeah, I also discovered a Godot object called a timer, and actually you should be... Ideally, you'd be using that instead of like the delta time trick we did before.
Oh,
So
or
for future things.
can you say that again?
For any future things with timers.
Oh, yes. Huh. Time-based poop sucking challenge. Yeah, somebody gives you a challenge. Oh, yeah, that's actually interesting concept. Imagine like speedrunning this.
Speedrunning what?
Okay. So the segment isn't updated anymore. Oh no. What did I... Why? What? This doesn't make sense. Let's print the values. Okay, stop. Hmm. Hmm. Oh my god. Why? I think it... Huh. There must be some small change I made somewhere. Yeah, because this works, but it doesn't receive any arguments, any balls to set them here. So what's going on here? Maybe this is like this is what I changed. This, what happens if I remove this? Let's see. Okay, it still doesn't work. Oh no. Well, look, it's not empty. Okay. Let's see. The poop tank, so it has two objects. Those here, and it has two objects. Oh, but I cannot see them. Maybe if I export... Okay. Let's export their values so I can see them. Type. But what? It doesn't make sense. They shouldn't change. Therefore, let's see. Metadata. Type. Okay. They're all good. Still good. So what's going on here? What? It just skips it. If poll.type what, not equal to null? Okay. Okay. Okay, it's working now. Sure. Now let's see if do you have a... And no error. Good. We did it. I did it.
Yeah.
So now it's the same functionality as before, but it's now ready for when we will have different color, different value, different types. Well,
Yeah, like sometimes people leave jewelry in their septic tanks because they drop it in the toilet. Can I sell that?
yeah, it,
That's the gold fluid.
well, I'm glad we were able to end the stream on a high note, on a happy ending.
Yeah.
Still not over. Still we. I'm glad we had at least one viewer. Oh look, you can see the reactions. Oh, very nice. Very nice. So I will push this. Let's push this. Oh, also the site. The... What is this? It reversed? Oh, man. Oh, yeah, we need to put a daily, weekly screenshot now, a new weekly screenshot.
Oh, sure.
I already updated it last week, I don't know if you noticed.
I didn't actually. So what scene are you thinking of screenshotting?
I'm not really sure. There's nothing new.
Well, it doesn't need to be new, it just has to be funny.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, when you're dumping all of the poop, it's pretty funny, because I like that trail of smoke it does.
Wait. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Wait, can you do more velocity for the outgoing balls?
So they go, yeah.
Actually, more variations, so they're more spread out.
Oh. Yes, I can. Here.
Because in the actual dumping ground, there will be a wall, so that you don't have to aim that hard.
I doubled it.
Yeah, but I mean also the range.
Yes, wait. It's, you see, it's random. Wait, let me put it very high.
Okay.
Yeah, see, the thing
More.
is that they... More. Wait, what do you do? It's 15. The thing is that they, you know, the shader makes them, put them together.
Yeah.
Let's see now. What? Wait.
Yeah, I think that...
This it?
Are you sure you want minus 15? 15?
Wait. Let's see. Yeah, that was the set. Okay.
Oh, that's beautiful how they're spraying out like that. Powerful.
Powerful Vidanja. Bro, we need 150. Still not enough.
500?
500. What? Yeah, we definitely need 500. Oh wait, I'm still not sure what.
Maybe it's the wrong axis.
Maybe.
Wait, but you're normalizing it, so it doesn't matter.
Oh,
Yeah, I leave
I
the
forgot
first parts alone and then
this
change
one.
the. Yeah.
Round the. Yeah, sure. Nah, let's just do it 500.
Then it's all gonna go in the same spot, kind of.
Wait, I forgot.
Same.
Oh. Oh.
That's funny.
This needs to be the screenshot of the week, definitely. Okay.
Wait, can you
Wait.
like do slow motion somehow
Oh, wait.
so you can get a good angle of this?
Thief. Engine.time scale. Oh. Okay. Process. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this actually works. Oh, it does. But okay.
The sucking was the same speed, I think. That's fine.
Let's see. Do you think this is a good angle?
Oh,
Maybe. Wait.
well,
No, I cannot. No, it's
like
slower.
you
It's
get the
slower.
picture from the front,
Yeah.
so that you
Like
see
this.
the.
Yeah. Not that.
Oh, yeah, that gap, yeah, it works.
Yeah, no, I have an idea. I will just record this and yeah, just capture a frame. Let's see. Perfect. That's just great. I'll capture a frame later.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you assisted to the weekly screenshot as well.
Yeah.
What can I say?
guess.
I'm happy we finished something. I hope that we will be able to finish the game because it's a good idea. Yes. Thank you for watching. See you in 2 weeks.
Steve.